Imagine walking into your room at night and seeing your plants glowing, like something out of Avatar or Jellyfish. Except this isn't science fiction anymore. Scientists have just created the world's first glow-in-the-dark houseplants that shine all on their own. No UV lights, no chemicals, just pure natural bioluminescence. That's right, thanks to synthetic biology, these plants can now glow like fireflies or deep-sea jellyfish without harming them. And today, we're diving deep into how this works, why it's a game changer, and when you might be able to buy one. So stick around, because the future of bioluminescent plants is here. And it's absolutely mind-blowing. So how the heck do you make a plant glow like a firefly? Well, it all comes down to bioluminescence, the same natural phenomenon that makes fireflies light up and gives oceans those magical blue waves at night. Normally, bioluminescent organisms produce light through a chemical reaction involving luciferin, a light-emitting molecule, and luciferase, an enzyme that helps it glow. But plants don't naturally have these genes, until now. Using genetic engineering, researchers have taken bioluminescent genes from glowing mushrooms and bacteria and inserted them into plants. The result? Self-sustaining glowing plants that emit a soft ethereal light. And the craziest part, these plants don't need any external chemicals. They produce their own glow for their entire lifespan. Okay, so glowing plants are cool, but why does this matter? Well, think bigger than just houseplants. Imagine glowing trees replacing streetlights, cutting energy costs, self-illuminating crops, helping farmers monitor plant health, bioluminescent gardens that transform urban spaces at night. Plus, unlike LED lights or electricity, these plants don't need power. They create their own light through natural processes. This isn't just about aesthetics. We're looking at sustainable lighting solutions that could reduce our carbon footprint. And the best part, these plants aren't harmed by the genetic modification. They grow just like normal plants. Alright, I know what you're thinking. Where can I get one? Right now, a few startups like Light Bio are already selling limited edition glowing plants, but they're still pretty expensive. However, as the tech improves, prices will drop. Experts predict that within 5 to 10 years, bioluminescent plants could be as common as LED strips. Imagine decorating your room with living, breathing nightlights. Now, before we get too excited, there are big questions to consider. Is it safe to release genetically modified glowing plants into the wild? Could they disrupt ecosystems? We need strict regulations to ensure these plants don't outcompete natural species or spread uncontrollably. The good news, most commercial glowing plants are designed to be sterile, meaning they can't spread their genes to wild plants. Still, the debate is ongoing. What do you think? Drop a comment below, whether you love them or fear them. Bioluminescent plants are here to stay, and they could change how we light up our world. Want more futuristic science? Check out our video on lab-grown meat here. Thanks for watching. See you in the future.